There we were, shooting some video over at Epcot, so we decided we'd head over to Hollywood Studios and see what was going on over there. And you'll never guess what we saw. Look, right there. Cable. Cable on the Skyliner, headed from Hollywood Studios over to T-Station at Caribbean Beach. So, can it be that much longer before they finish the other stations and run the cable over there? Well, I'll leave that up to you to decide, but this is what we saw on Monday. Make sure you tell me what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to give the video a like. And if you did like the video, why don't you go ahead and subscribe. And remember, when you do subscribe, to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.